So hi guys, Shorts and Circuits team. So I'm responding to this comment. The guy wanted to understand more on how he's supposed to install this changeover. The video in reference to this reply was the one that we installed face selector, and a face selector basically has 3 options, but this one has 2. You can see here it is marked 1, 2, and then there is off. Of course, you cannot count off as an option. So what I had stated before is that these face selector or changeover switches, the side that you input your load is usually has 2 options, and those 2 options are usually connected to each other. So for example, for this one, you can see we have 1, we have off, and then we have 2. So if we open this one right here, it was already open. If we open this one right here, you'll see now this is the inner part of it. Then we can remove this part. So what happens, you can see here we have 6 ports, and on this side we also have 6 ports. So like I said before, the side that you input your load, and before we do that, remember that these changeover switches, phase selectors, are usually designed for 3-phase power, and that is why you see we have 3 ports on this side, 3 ports on this side, 3 ports on this side, 3 ports on this side. So, and of course you can see these are the screws that are going to help so that you can attach your wires. So if you look on the load side, for example on this changeover right here, you will see that inside here, inside here, you can see that there are some plates that are coming from this side to this side. So these plates are the ones that connect this side, and if you see the side that is connected to these plates, this is the side that you connect your load. So for example, you can decide, let us name this 1, 2, 3, or let us for example follow these numbers. Let us just follow 1, 2, 3. So for 1, 2, and 3, you connect each cable independent of each other, which means here you connect, for example, your live, your neutral, and earth, and make sure you do the same for all the other ports so that you don't mix up the live and the neutral, or the earth and the neutral. So what you're going to do is that, for example, here you can input your live here, and you can also input your live on this other side. So if you have 2 sets of of loads, for example, you are going to put one live here, another one here, one neutral here, another neutral here, one earth here, and another earth here. So I think that one I've explained it the way it's supposed to be. The side that is looped, the side that you have these metallic plates looped from one side to another, that is the side that you input your load. Higher. On this other side, this is the part that you input your input or supplies. So for example, you can choose this side to be backup, you can choose this side to be solar, KPLC, or you can choose it to be generator, or you can choose this side to be one phase, for example the red phase, and this side to be the blue phase. So long as you make sure that you match your wires. If you are going to install your red cable on number 1, you make sure also on this side you do the same. If you install your neutral cable on number 2 at the center, you also make sure on this side you do the same. So I think that is the simplest explanation, or that is the explanation that I can give. You make sure that your loads, this is load number 1, this is supply number 1, supply number 2, and then the side that is looped, that is where you input your load. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video.